Manufacturing X delivers technology insights into how smart factories really operate. This is not a chocolate kitchen. This is a continuous chocolate manufacturing system operating at industrial scale. Chocolate manufacturing requires precise control of temperature, time, formulation ratios, and material behavior. Here, chocolate is treated as an engineered material, not a culinary recipe. Production begins with controlled handling of cocoa mass, cocoa butter, sugar, and milk solids.
Every chocolate ingredient is weighed and dosed with formulation-level accuracy.
All chocolate ingredients are transferred through fully enclosed systems to ensure stability and hygiene.
Each chocolate ingredient batch is digitally identified and recorded before processing. Material traceability is enforced through direct integration with manufacturing execution systems. No chocolate ingredient enters the process without authorization and data validation.
Some chocolate factories include controlled thermal pretreatment of cocoa nibs.
Cocoa roasting follows strict time and temperature profiles defined by process engineering.
Roasting parameters are executed through PLC-based recipe control. Thermal deviations at this stage directly affect downstream chocolate material behavior. Unlike coffee, chocolate roasting influences internal fat structure, not only flavor. Grinding converts solid chocolate ingredients into a controlled, semi-solid chocolate mass.
Particle size is reduced with micron-level precision through mechanical refining. Uniform particle size distribution is essential for chocolate flow stability.
Chocolate viscosity is continuously monitored during refining.
Shear force and thermal energy are balanced through closed-loop process control.
Chocolate behaves as a controlled semi-solid material, not a free-flowing liquid.
Small deviations at this stage can compromise the entire chocolate batch. Chocolate recipes are digitally enforced with no manual deviation.
System-level control ensures consistency across parallel refining lines.
Material conditioning continues beyond refining toward structural stabilization.
Conching is the defining process in industrial chocolate manufacturing.
Mechanical energy is applied over extended durations to refine chocolate texture.
Time and energy consumption during conching are precisely monitored. Chocolate quality outcomes are correlated directly with conching data. Material behavior is continuously conditioned within enclosed conching systems.
Conching results are digitally logged and verified.
Chocolate production flows continuously without interruption.
Structural control now moves to the crystal level.
Tempering controls the crystal structure of cocoa butter. Chocolate is cooled and reheated under tightly regulated conditions. This stage applies material science principles, not culinary techniques. Automation eliminates variability during chocolate tempering. Only fully stabilized chocolate proceeds downstream.
Structural integrity is locked in before forming begins.
Forming begins with precision dosing into chocolate molds. Weight and shape consistency are mechanically controlled. Air removal and surface leveling are engineered into the process. Chocolate enrobing is synchronized with upstream material flow.
Human handling is eliminated through automated transfer systems. Formed chocolate products enter controlled stabilization. Chocolate cooling occurs within precisely zoned tunnels.
Airflow and temperature are engineered variables in stabilization. Product flow remains continuous throughout cooling. The cooling logic mirrors system-level control principles used across multiple continuous manufacturing industries. Chocolate stability is verified before packaging. Packaging begins immediately after stabilization.
Automated inspection systems verify packaging integrity.
Robotic palletizing prepares chocolate products for logistics.
Production data is directly linked to warehouse systems.
Chocolate pallets move through automated material handling systems. Manufacturing extends beyond processing into logistics integration.
PLC, MES, and SCADA systems coordinate the chocolate factory.
Recipes define chocolate production, not operators.
Energy use and performance are continuously monitored.
Chocolate manufacturing operates as a fully digitalized system.
This is not food production. This is industrial chocolate manufacturing at scale.